foreigners are taking jobs from you, and you say, no, we want jobs that are taken from us by foreigners. The question is, which jobs are those? Which jobs are the foreigners taking? They are making us fight over jobs of security guards, over jobs of domestic workers, because those are the jobs that foreigners are taking from us, which is not what you want. You want quality paying jobs which will sustain your livelihood. And therefore, we cannot fight over non-existing jobs. We must fight for the creation of jobs. Then once the jobs are created, we'll all be in the job market, because there is a functional manufacturing industry in South Africa. Why do you take chrome out of South Africa? Because today there's literally nothing you can build in the world without using steel. Chrome produces steel. South Africa needs steel. Steel factories are closing in South Africa. Why? Chrome goes to China. They produce steel cheap, come back to sell it in South Africa cheap, and the South African produced steel is expensive than the one from China. People then buy the one from China. When they buy the steel from China, it means the steel being produced in South Africa must close down. And when the steel produced in South Africa closes down, jobs are lost. There's no problem with getting steel from China. If the steel from China comes into South Africa, they must pay there by the entry point. They must pay 200 rand for a steel to enter. And then the South African steel must be sold for 100 rand. So the one of China is 200 rand. We welcome it. South Africa one is 100 rand. People will opt to buy the South African steel. And when people buy the South African steel, they create more jobs because the demand goes high. That's how you create jobs in South Africa, by protecting your infant industries.